And now, exclusive Storm Tracker Doppler weather with meteorologist Lexi Birmingham.
Good Monday morning, everyone. The time now is 8:09, slowly coming up on 8:10. We're expecting another very spring-like afternoon for today, as temperatures will be nice and warm, and some of us may run into a couple of spotty showers. But of course, the big story is what's coming later on tonight and into our Tuesday. Here's our live Storm Tracker Doppler radar. We are quiet and rain-free for now, but as mentioned before, a couple of spotty showers, especially off towards the northwest, could be possible later on this afternoon. But I do want to zoom out and take a look at the bigger picture here across our region. There's our high pressure system that was in control of our weather pattern this past weekend, and as the rotates clockwise, it will start to bring our winds back out of the southeast, and they will be quite breezy today, anywhere from 10 to 20 miles per hour. At the same time, we're starting to see a warm front lift up towards the north, and that is going to keep us warm this afternoon. But it's also starting to kick up some shower activity, some light shower activity at that, across portions of Texas. But we have all eyes on this weather system way up towards our west. You can see the low pressure system, and attached to that is the cold front. That is going to bring our next chance for showers and storms and the potential for strong to severe weather. This is our severe weather outlook for Monday and into early Tuesday. You'll notice the highest risk is off towards our west in this orange color. That is a level 3 enhanced risk out of 5. But meanwhile, most of our western and central counties and parishes are either under this level 2 slight risk, including El Dorado, Ruston, and Natchitoches, or a level 1 marginal risk, including the Twin Cities and Columbia. And then heading into tomorrow morning around 7 a.m., this outlook is going to take over. And it does look a little bit overwhelming, especially with all those different colors. Just know that our far southeastern Louisiana parishes are under the highest risk, a moderate risk, a level 4 out of 5. But it really doesn't matter what color you are under. Everyone will have the chance to see all types of severe weather, from damaging winds to some hail to a chance for tornadoes and maybe even some minor flooding. So kind of giving you a rough estimation of the arrival times of these showers and storms. Again, keep in mind, some of these will be arriving very early on in the morning while we're sleeping. So make sure you have different ways of receiving that weather information. We do believe some of our orange counties and parishes will see an arrival time, between 2 and 10 a.m. For our yellow counties and parishes, we're thinking 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. And then our far eastern Louisiana parishes about noon until 6 p.m. in the evening. So breaking this all down, we'll see that southeasterly flow continue to pick up, already staying nice and warm around lunchtime in the lower 70s. Most of our highs, though, are expected to get up into the middle and upper 70s this afternoon. And you can also see some of those showers beginning to pop up across the northwestern corner of the Arkansas. Conditions will be a lot more organized as we head into Tuesday morning. You can see that line of showers and storms becoming a bit more linear, and right along the edge will be some of those threats for straight line winds, which may kick off a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings, maybe even a tornado warning or two. Not to mention too that you see a lot of reds, oranges, and yellows on your screen, indicating some very heavy rainfall. Now this will continue throughout our Tuesday afternoon, with everything slowly wrapping up between 6 and 7 o'clock in the evening. Might see a couple of very small spotty showers behind the cold front as it moves through, but conditions will quiet down as we head into your Wednesday, and we will be off to a cool start in the 40s. As far as rainfall totals go, it does look like some of us could see anywhere from 2 to 3 inches of rain, maybe some areas locally a bit higher than that. Keep in mind, it takes about 6 inches of rainfall to get your car stuck out on those roadways. So probably the best thing you could do for tomorrow is stay off the roads as much as you can. We also do have some aerial flood watches in place for the entire Arkansas, which will continue until about 4 to 7 p.m. Tomorrow afternoon and evening. That just means that there is going to be the potential for some flooding across a large area, but it's going to be a bit more gradual and prolonged over a certain period of time compared to what we usually do see when a flash flood watch or warning is issued. So let's review those severe weather threats again. Again, minor flooding will be possible, along with some high winds up to about 70 miles per hour, maybe a couple of chances for tornadoes, and hail up to about golf ball size. So again, make sure you are staying weather aware, have different ways of receiving that weather information. We're going to continue to keep our eyes on it over the next few hours, especially over the next 24 hours, and we'll be ready to go if necessary. We will have some much more quiet conditions on the way, though, throughout the second half of our work week. We'll see a lot more sunshine. Temperatures, though, we'll see a small cool down back into the 60s, but we will warm back up into the 70s by next weekend, while lows tonight will stay cool in the 40s.
Thank you.